We did see this miss in retail sales. What's your sense of this? I mean, how big of a surprise is this?
You know, I wouldn't call it a surprise. I was thinking we would probably have a little bit better retail sales number. We had a pretty good month last month. We had a very weak February. You know, we're past the point where we can blame this on the government shutdown. I think the upward revisions of the prior month are important. They make the negative a little less bad, I guess you could say. But all in all, it is not a great report. It is not a great, endorsement of the U.S. consumer at the moment. The U.S. consumer overall is in pretty good shape. Good job growth, very, very low unemployment, pretty low, household leverage. So it's a consumer that isn't on the sidelines already. But this report is showing the consumer doesn't have a ton of confidence right this minute. It'll be really interesting to see in the next, half an hour, and then when the U.S. equity market opens, how the markets play this weak retail sales number off the very strong China PMI.
So, Lisa, put those 2 points that Anne just made together. On the one hand, we've got these really weak numbers for last month of retail sales. On the other hand, we have strong job numbers overall. We'll wait till Friday and see what happens. We have strong wage growth. How do you square those two things? If people are making more money, why aren't they spending it?
Well, it's a little hard to say right now exactly what's going on with that retail sales number. But if we do look at the picture overall, generally we remain confident in the U.S. consumer. And as a key driver of that continued moderate pace of growth in the U.S. And the reason why is really what you pointed to, David, is we've got a nice basic jobs market. Unemployment is at record lows, and yet we've got some nice wage gains. And so even if maybe spending this particular month didn't come in quite as strongly as consensus, they've got a solid base to continue to support the economy. And I think really what's going to be key is moving forward, how we continue to see that economic data come in. If that continues to come in at a steady pace or even upwards, again, I think we could see those numbers bounce back.